Hey guys, Coach Mary here. This is the Elite Collection that I have promised you. Okay, so this is the Mumu bag. Okay, Mumu bag has a Mumu emboss on it. Okay, mas maganda kung meron siyang cherries. I will also add the link below for the cherries. Okay, the original cherry is a palm size. Okay, it's a palm size, it glitters, it has a sparkle inside. And Mumu bag has the exclusive straps. Look at that. Ang ganda, di ba? Okay, so it's a strap, it's a ribbon type strap that you can use and you can replace. So, all straps are replaceable. Kaya lang siya naging elegant. Okay, this is the Mumu bag transparent. Okay, and then we have also the solid color. It's a brick red bag. I'm gonna also share the link below, okay, or in the comment section. Mumu bag has embossed Mumu name on it. Okay, so mamaya it has always a purse. Okay, always use a Mumu bag with purse, guys, kasi free yung purse na. Yung purse na pwede mo lagyan niya ng earbuds, okay? Pwede mo lagyan niya ng coins, okay? This is Mark and Lisa, one of the most expensive Shell Alma bag. Okay, this is the real Elite Collection bag. Okay, by the way, all the bags that I'll be featuring today are Shell Alma bag. Okay? So guys, remember these bags are being introduced to Philippines, to Asia. Okay, in other countries, it costs 800 plus. Now, I think it is only 180, 190, 200. Wala pa siyang 500. Now, how come Mark Elisa is expensive? Mark Elisa bag, the one that I featured a while ago is 800 plus. Okay, so ano pa siya? Nasa VIP collection pa siya. Yung Mark Elisa. Kasi mahal talaga siya, guys. Okay, now, makikita mo dyan, ayan, yan yung mga mga cherries. My favorite bag chains are cherries. Kasi it has a good luck charm for me. Okay, lalo na yung walang pair, walang asawa, single mom. If you wanted to have a partner, you can have cherries, bag chain or keychain. Okay, now for the solid one, na medyo color gray, black, maglagay kayo ng furry friends or furry bag chain. Ang cute, diba? Okay, the first bag that I have for Shell bag is the white one. Diyan ako nagsimulang mag-collect. Now, this order bag will not be staying with me anymore. Dadali na siya sa physical store. Konti lang yung matitira sa akin. Siguro mga 2 lang or 3. Kasi yung iba talaga, ibibenta ko po siya. Kasi, hinintay ko lang panahon na magmahal siya. Kasi guys, believe me, this will cost 10,000 each. Kita mo naman future-oriented tayo. That's why I told you, I always telling my followers to collect these bags. Not just for economic reasons na I can gain money from you, but you know what, guys? I am always futuristic with my business. Okay, so alam mo naman tayo, we are also practical, but we see the future. Always, okay? So, ang ganda, di ba? So, ayan, ang mini purse na. It comes with the mini purse. And mini purse is always with the Mumu bags. The Mumu bags has most Mumu on it. Okay, lalagay ko dyan sa link. Now, yung solid bag, it doesn't have a purse on it. Okay, look at that. Okay, Mumu bag has plastic zipper holder. Okay, nakita nyo? Ang ganda, di ba? Ayan, no? Tapos ito naman, the best thing about solid bag na hindi siya Mumu is a hard PVC. Okay, it's a hard PVC bag where you can, yung hindi kita sa loob. At saka matigas yung ano na eh. Very, reliable siya. Very easy to clean. Kaya ako siya nagustuhang i-collect. Kasi aabot siya hanggang 10 years. Unlike the synthetic leather na nagbabakbak. Tapos namabaho. Ang jelly bag, you spray it with Downy or your favorite cologne, and then you can wash it and blow dry it. Wag naman i-blow dry mo, baka matulaw yung plastic. But super lang siya, ihang mo lang siya, and okay na siya ulit. And ang ganda niya kasi, alam mo, mahilig ako sa colorful. Colorful enough na not too loud. But colorful na very opulent ang dating niya. You know what? When you have a simple clothing, like for example, you wear only just, kasi ngayon, bespoke ang gusto na fashion, di ba? Now, with the bespoke fashion, we always use, hindi lang uso yung may mga branding. Kaya yung jelly bag, naging in siya sa Korea. Kasi they use jacket without brand name on in front of the shirt, diba? So yan yung ginamit nila. At napakaganda niya, guys, okay? So, this is Alma Shell Bag Elite Collection. Alright? So, let me run you over to it para makita nyo. Okay? So, remember, Mike Elisa is 800 plus right now. Original price na is 2,000. Ayan makikita nyo yan sa link na ibibigay ko. And, what's this? So again, Mike Elisa is 800 plus right now. Why? Because it's a BIP. TikTok VIP collection. So yung iba, hindi nila nakukuha sa feed nila yung VIP TikTok. Okay, so you have to acquire the VIP TikTok. Now, I'm sharing it to you guys so you can avail of it ahead of time. Kasi pag ahead of time ka, sila, hindi pa nila alam, ikaw alam mo na. Okay, updated ka na. Okay, now, there's 3 types of bags. Shell Alma bag. Okay, Shell Alma bag. Remember that, guys. Okay, Shell Alma bag has Mumu bag, the Mike Elisa bag, which is the top seller na ngayon. Kasi everybody collects, including elite people. That's why I call this bag Elite Collections. Okay, now, the solid bag, you don't have it with the purse, but very, very, practical. Ang ganda. At saka, makapal yung PVC niya. Okay, sa bumubag naman, manipis, malambot, pero very, ano ba tawag doon? Makulat. Ang ganda ng collection niya. Kasi, ang bumubag kasi has a purse, has also a lock on it, on yung handle niya. Yung, kasi, shell bag na solid, kasi yung Mumu meron din siya solid na solid with purse. But the other Mumu that doesn't comes with a purse, it's a PVC type of jelly bag na super kapal na kanang plastic at ang ganda. At ang bilis na lilingsen, okay? So, there you go, guys, okay? So, don't forget to click subscribe or to subscribe to my channels. And also, this will be on YouTube. Okay, this will be on TikTok. This will be on FB. This will be on Instagram. Alright, so there you go. This is my promise. The Elite Collection Alma bag. The next one, I'll be vlogging the Mumu Doctor's bag. And also the square bag and the spacious bag. Okay, so again, this is Shell Alma Bags collection, which is a Mike Elisa Mumu bag, and then also the PVC solid colored bag. Alright, I can attest to that. Alright, see you around. Don't forget to follow. Love you guys. Wow. So it doesn't catch smell. Okay, remember that. Yung leather kasi they smell. Okay, so always spray cologne on it. Okay? And then, guys, to tell you super ganda na collection to. It will last up to 25 years.